Welcome to Devices Setup, and today we will learn how to reset Netgear Nighthawk Wi-Fi 6 RAX54S AX5400 router. Before we start, kindly note after the reset, the router will go back to its factory default settings, and that means all the setting or the data on the router will be erased. That means you will have to set it up again from scratch. So to start with, first make sure your router is plugged in into a power source and it have a stable power LED. Next, locate the reset button on the Netgear AX5400 router that is present on the back panel right beside the USB port. So hold the reset button for at least 10 seconds or until you see your power LED starts flashing. Once it does, release the button and let the router reboot. Next, after 2 minutes, you can go ahead and set up the router again. You can watch video given in the description. And lastly, if you found this video useful, then please do hit like and subscribe to support my efforts. Thank you.